Hey everybody, it's Mr. Whump from UME Academy. This is Game Review Showdown. Every episode, I play a popular video game, then I make my own game at UME's Creator Club, then I decide which game I like best. This is our last episode before Halloween, so today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite yearly Halloween events, Call of Duty's The Haunting. I always look forward to The Haunting because they have the best modes and the best treats and rewards, and this year's no different. This year, Call of Duty offered 3 special Halloween activities. First of all, the fan favorite map Nuketown got a Halloween makeover. Hey, nice pumpkins! Then they had a really fun mode called Infected, where human characters have to stave off a growing army of deadly zombies. If you get infected, you become a zombie, which isn't too bad because you get to run around with all your zombie friends looking to eat some brains. But my favorite mode of all was the Scream Deathmatch. In this mode, random players are chosen to be the Ghostface killer from the Scream movies. Everyone else has to hide and try to avoid being slashed. Every round, new killers are chosen, and you rack up points by either getting kills as the killer or staying alive as a survivor. This mode was so fun and tense and scary that I would have peed my pants if I was wearing any, so instead, I peed my sock. It happens, what you gonna do? So for sheer thrills, excitement, and terror, I have to give Call of Duty's The Haunting a big thumbs up. But now it's time for me to go into creative mode. I want to make my own tense, scary, fun game over at UME Academy's Creator Club. I'm going to make a game where I have to hide from monsters. I have to stay out of their view and keep from getting caught. I'm going to put the hunt script on this guy. If I get too close and I get inside of his range, he'll chase me down. I'm going to use a patrol script for this guy, an oscillator for this guy, and maybe just the wander script for this guy. Let's see if I can make it to the exit without getting caught. Be careful, Whump. No, don't go. Hold on, wait. Stay out of his range. Okay, creep. Carefully. Hey, we did it! Well, now it's showdown time. Which game did I like best? This is a tricky one because I like them both so much. Call of Duty's The Haunting event was a real blast, particularly the Scream Deathmatch. I don't think I've ever been so scared in a game before. But my game had lots of sneaking, lots of creeping, deadly monsters, and best of all, it didn't make me wet myself. So I pick my game, because it was fun and because I made it. You can make your own games over at UME Academy's Creator Club. I can't wait to see what you can make. I'm going over to the Creator Club right now to make some games with my pal Rowan. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.